All right, folks. Look, so we in DR, right? DR, my bros. This is my first time having it up in the air. I'm just gonna take a little stroll. I don't know where we're going. Man.
You get a thing, I'm stand up.
Yeah, get you a good shade, man. Come on, man. Yeah, all these fake ass Oakleys got that Oakley. Man, these Oakleys. But no, see if you can wipe the smudge off of it, I think. I think you can clean these off.
Hey, my friend.
Hey, what's up? Good. Yeah. What up, Pablo?
Yeah, no. Different cup.
Yeah. It's recording.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, there we go right there.
Yeah, it's coming. Let's see what it does. In the store in this thing.
This is what I need right here.
Oh yeah, 100%.
It's very nice.
I probably. Oh yeah, man. Yeah. It's cool, man.
I'm the color of solid blue.
Shit. I think I'm gonna go with something like one of these bad boys, man.
I'm thinking about the top one.
Yeah, that one cool right there. That's it right there.
Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh,
That's a vibe right there. Come on, man. I got taste, man.
He's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah. You like no Miami here.
So you're right here.
That's funny. Let's go high with it.
Oh, Lord. Dominican preso. Dominican preso. I mean,
That's what's good in here too, man.
you take that. You take this and this. No, this is mine. But I need another one. I need 1,000 plus.
Let's go get some for mine. Oh, they got some cool little. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, this fire right. Got a little Haitian thing. What is it?
Come to the activities on Island is good.
Oh yeah,
Sauna.
Sauna. But this it only follow me.
All right.
Yeah, I don't control it.
You ready for me?
Yeah, it's recording.
Wait, I can get it.
Can see you.
All right. In linear. Let me see.
Yeah, say what's up, man. Yeah, say what's up. It can hear you. Hey, they got a mic. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Jose Garcia.
Jose Garcia. What's your name?
Luis.
Louis, man.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. What's the name of the store?
All right, it's okay.
What's the name?
Store is El Alfa.
El Alfa.
Yeah.
I heard that. El Alfa, man. That's what's up, man. Good to meet you guys, man. You like that? That's cool.
What's your name?
I'm Carlos, man.
Carlos, you the redes?
Who?
You the redes sociales? TikTok, YouTube.
Oh,
You have
I don't have no.
Instagram.
I have Instagram. Yeah. I don't have no. This right here. I just started. This is new.
All right.
So yeah. So
how much you pay for this?
maybe.
This one question. Hey guys, don't hear this. I'm sorry.
No, it's no big deal. Hey,
Republic.
it's no big deal because this is very popular in United States.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, so this is
No.
maybe $300 American dollars. $300.
Right.
Yeah, $300.
A lot of money, bro.
Yeah, man. Y'all cool, man. Follow me, man.
I buy one home here with this money.
Oh, there we go. It's all you coming. All right, can you?
Hey. Wait. This is my Instagram.
Yeah, show me. Oh, no, get closer. Get closer. No, get closer to it.
All right. Family, this is my Instagram, Jose Garcia Tour.
There
Come
you
to the
go.
Punta Cana, Bávaro, everything.
Yes, sir.
Follow me.
Yes, sir. Yeah, they got you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir, man. Thank you guys, man.
All right.
Can
Okay.
you hold the door for me, please? Thank you.
You gotta think on the side. You think, no?
There we go. That was pretty cool, huh? You said Ace?
What? Yeah.
Nah, give you some light. Nah, that ain't it. It sits too high on your face. You see some, I like these feet, man. Something like, with some colors on it, bro. What about this one? You
say too much color.
Oh.
Too much color.
Man, you slide, man. What you feeling?
Yeah, I'm gonna have the same type of shade.
Ah, okay. So, okay. So you trying to say, okay.
Yeah.
So you rock with shit like this? Some chill shit? That's not your style?
Oh, that's right.
There we go. Yeah, that's it right there, T.
There's the one piece.
T.
Is that all right?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Let me see, Ace. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. Oh, you cool.
In your bag.
The top. Yeah, man. Tell me your name again, man. What's your name again? Let me see.
Louis.
Yeah, right here, yeah. See that? Your name Louis?
Man,
Yeah, man. It's cool, right?
Luis, I see this for the first time here.
Hey, the first time?
America is America, but welcome to Punta Cana. If you want to enjoy, come here.
Oh, yeah.
Every people, if you want to enjoy, we have everything you need here.
You got good English, man.
No.
You
man.
speak English?
No, it's
You-
catastrophic, man.
You just said catastrophic. You said catastrophic, but my English is not good. It's funny. Nah, man, that's what's up, man.
I want to learn more, bro.
No, it's good, man. You ever come to America before?
No.
All right.
Let me hear.
Let's go back to the streets, man. Back to the streets, man. We're in the streets now. Traffic crazy. Traffic crazy. Just want to show y'all the street. Let me see if I can go out a little. Go back a little further. Oh, damn, man, get back over here. Go hit my shit. What up, Babo? Dímelo.
Oh, you're Spanish.
Yeah, poquito español, poquito.
I'm trying to take a pic.
All right.
Sure. See, don't.
Hey, T, you want to take a pic? They want to take a pic. All right.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. For the ones that liked it or enjoyed it, continue on. And the ones that don't, doesn't really matter. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Don't really care. Enjoy your life. Peace out. Always choose your highest excitement in life. Always focus on yourself. Therefore, you can take care of others. Peace.